Are you in need of a reliable dumpster rental in Collinsville, Oklahoma? Look no further. Here at Helping Hands LLC, we understand that every construction project is unique. That's why we offer many dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. Whether you're working on a small residential renovation or a large-scale commercial construction project, Helping Hands LLC has the perfect dumpster size. From compact dumpsters to spacious containers, we've got you covered. We work closely with our clients to ensure they have the right dumpster for their project and that it's always delivered on time. We understand that schedules can be unpredictable, so we offer flexible rental terms to accommodate your changing needs. Whether you need a dumpster for a day, a week, or longer, Helping Hands LLC has you covered. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, but it's about more than just providing exceptional service. We are committed to giving back to our community. When you choose Helping Hands LLC, you're not just getting a dumpster rental, you're making a difference in the lives of others. Our user-friendly interface makes it easy to book your dumpster rental online. Visit our website at www.helpinghands.com, Dumpster Rental Collinsville, OK, to learn more about our available sizes and pricing. You can also call us at 918-216-0151 to speak with one of our knowledgeable representatives. For reliable, affordable, and community-minded dumpster rental in Collinsville, Oklahoma, choose Helping Hands LLC. Your project's success is our priority.